Gonna do a Peaky Cap review here. I'm out here in my family garage gym, and this is where I shoot these reviews. I'm currently wearing the Stray in brown Dogtooth from Peaky Hats. This is easily one of my favorite caps. This and the apple core. Look how handsome that cap is. I love it. The cap we're going to review right now is the St. Nick Solo from Peaky Caps. It's made out of a red wool with a white like crushed velvet brim. Kind of festive for the occasions here. Let's try her on. Oh wow, I like that. Maybe needs a touch of steam to remove a little bit of a crease out the side, but I can tell this is a great looking cap. Fun for the holidays. Between the white beard and the cap, I look like I'm ready to slide down a chimney. You just got to add another 200 pounds to me or so. Again, this is the Peaky Caps St. Nick Solo. Let's go outside and get a better look at it. Out here feeling festive, wearing a Peaky Hat St. Nick Solo. This will be a fun hat for the holidays. I need to use a little wrinkle spray. It's got a couple creases in it right now to get the hat shape I want. I have a video on how to do that. You can take wrinkles out of your hat using wrinkle spray if it's made out of wool or cotton, instead of using steam if you don't want to do the steam method. It's pretty easy to do. So again, this is the St. Nick Solo from Peaky Caps. I like that one. I'll be wearing that one this Christmas. My favorite Christmas themed Scally cap. I found it. Again, St. Nick Solo from Peaky Caps. I highly recommend the company. They got a big sale going on right now. Buy two, get one free until December 1st. That's all. See ya. This is the St. Nick Solo from Peaky Hats. It had some wrinkles in it, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to get the wrinkles out. What I've done is I've packed the inside of this hat with paper towels. You can do it with plastic bags or whatever you want. And I've got the hat all filled out shape-wise. You see that? See the wrinkle on the side there? Now that we've got that all filled out, I'm going to mist it with this wrinkle and release spray, and we'll let it sit for a few hours, and that'll take the wrinkles out. And then we'll take the stuffing out of the hat and put it on and shape it how we want. It's a great method, and works great if you don't want to use a steamer. I've misted it along the sides where those wrinkles were with that wrinkle and release spray, and we'll now let it sit. Again, we have it fully packed with paper holding the shape that we want the hat to dry in. There we go, it's all dry. Got another one here that I got packed that's drying. Again, we stuffed the inside with a paper towel and we sprayed it with some wrinkle spray, and you can see that those wrinkles that were in the side panels there are now gone. Just a moment, I'll unstuff it and show you what it looks like. Here you go, here it is after I've used that wrinkle spray on it. See, it worked very well. The large creases that were in both sides there are gone. Again, you can remove wrinkles from your caps and reform them without having to use steam. The cap just needs to be made out of wool or cotton or other natural materials. It won't work with a 100% poly cap. There you go. That's how you remove the wrinkles out of a hat without a steamer. I hope you enjoyed it. See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.